Today, I'm going to show you how to install Bootstrap with our React project and make it work. So, in a previous tutorial, I was talking about the package.json folder works. So, right now, I'm going to show you something I mentioned about dependencies and how they work so that you kind of understand that and also install Bootstrap at the same time. So first I'm just going to close this so that nothing ends up conflicting with the file. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to create another one, another terminal separate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Bootstrap right now. And it's easy to install Bootstrap. All you need to do is write the command that is npm I, or if you don't want to use I, you can just go I install. But that's writing this and writing I is basically the same thing. So I Bootstrap, that's it. And when I run this command, this is going to install Bootstrap for me. Okay, so Bootstrap is installed, and to check that, as you can see right now in our dependencies, Bootstrap is installed. So this has installed version 5.3.3, and as you can see, because this is mentioned here, it means that Bootstrap is installed somewhere within our node modules folder, and this is the folder that holds all of our packages. So to make our Bootstrap CSS files work, all you need to do is go to your main.jsx file and just add import, and then the location of the file, which is bootstrap slash dist slash css slash, and it doesn't show this, but what you need to type here is bootstrap dot min dot css. There is also another file that is bootstrap dot css, but I recommend using .min css because it's a compressed version of the file, so this will take up less space. Okay, I'm going to save this for now, and then here let's just say I want to add the nav bar. So for now, let's go to the docs and let's just pick something like the navbar. Oh, navbar. And I'm just going to copy this one and go back, and I'm just going to paste this in. And this is a problem. And let me just check. Yeah, there's no other. Oh, there's one here. Okay, so to remove this error, just add slashes. That's all you need to do. So let's save. Oh, right, the class. So to select all of the classes, all you need to do is press Control and then D, and we'll select all of these classes. Make sure you are getting this. And I'm just gonna do okay, class name like this, And here we go. Let's save this. And as you can see, our navbar is right here. And if you're wondering why this is in the center, that's because we haven't removed the default Vite CSS that came with the project. But it's fine. You can see that Bootstrap is working, and moving forward we will be making more tutorials on Bootstrap and how to install different things like a navbar and how to customize that navbar, and also how to use the carousel and all of that other stuff. Also making forms, how to use forms with React, adding validation to the forms, creating authentications using those forms, combining authentication systems with those forms, all of that. So subscribe for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.